63 North Oakley is the front. The one next door looks recently painted. The one directly across the street, oops, excuse my fingers, is vacant, but it looks like it's getting worked on. And the next couple here look pretty nice. So I'd say the block in general looks okay. There is a real, sorry, I wanted to wait for that to pass. There's a really nice house right here, kind of across the alley from you. But that's the one thing I wanted to show you, is that your kind of side here is basically the alley. So you will have like kind of traffic coming through here, and it looks like, you know, there's some trash and shit up over here next to the vacant house. So that's good because you kind of have like, you know, if people come over, you got a bunch of extra parking and stuff here, but it's also bad because you could have, you know, kind of people passing through unless you maybe did a front fence or something like that. So very, very nitpicky. Not something I'd say don't buy it over, but want you to be fully aware of kind of what you're walking into. Kind of some things I noticed right off the bat. That needs some work. It's kind of like an open hole up under there in the rafter. And I'm thinking there's probably a critter or something that could get in there if they haven't already. There's like some holes in the siding, and there's like some siding missing up there. So, you know, if there's any water damage or whatever under that window. Additionally, it looks like just some pretty oh god, I'm still zoomed in, I'm so sorry. Some pretty careless like overspray of paint here from like doing the railing and whatever. Really just poor quality and someone not taking their time and doing it the right way. But also a very easy fix. You come in with a paintbrush and some white paint and it's gone, right? So again, being nitpicky, I like this. It's showing that they're getting the water in and out away from the house as it should be. This fence is gorgeous. It seems really well built. It actually seems overbuilt. Like, these are pretty thick pieces of wood to be making that bend. So you can kind of see they're popping out there a little bit. So I don't know that I would have used such thick wood, but it looks nice. It looks really nice. So you've got parking all down the side here. You got street parking out front. You got a parking pad back here. So they kind of put an extra little fence here where the parking pad is so that they don't just have an open backyard back here, I guess. So yeah, it's kind of nice. Got like a, I'm guessing this might actually be the other person's shed. So I'm not sure where the boundary is actually, or maybe oh no, this is the shed for here. It's just kind of dilapidated maybe. Or do you have a double lot? We'll look into that. This is interesting. There's like kind of an empty lot back here. And like a shed thing. Because that fence makes me think it's this house's, because it's facing in. It's very interesting. We'll have to look into that. If this is a double lot, that's awesome. All right, let's go inside.